OpenAI has just launched something that sounds like science fiction. Your AI chatbot can now read your medical records, connect to Apple Health data, and give you health advice. It's called ChatGPT Health. Let me explore today exactly what it plans to do. Over 230 million people have already been asking ChatGPT health questions every week. But until now, the answers were generic. ChatGPT Health plans to change that. You can securely connect your medical records to ChatGPT Health. You can even link your account from Apple Health, MyFitnessPal, Functional Labs, or even Peloton to ChatGPT Health. And now ChatGPT Health can even access your lab results from your doctor, your fitness data, your medication history, and what you have. It gives you answers tailored specifically for you. Here's what you can actually use it for. It explains to lab results simply so you are not constantly Googling medical jargons at midnight. It can even help you prepare questions before your doctor's appointment. It interprets the data from your wearables, like why your sleep score dropped, or why your heart rate dropped, or what your heart rate pattern means like. It can even help you understand your discharge instructions after a hospital visit. Even the CEO of OpenAI applications shared her own story. She was prescribed an antibiotic after a kidney stone. ChatGPT flagged that it could reactivate an old life-threatening infection she had years before. And she mentioned that to her doctor. Her doctor thanked her for speaking out and changed antibiotics. Your health data lives in a separate encrypted space. It's isolated from your regular ChatGPT chats. OpenAI says that your health data will live in a separate space. They won't be able to use your medical conversation to train the AI models, and you can delete your health data anytime. That's what they claim. But here's the most important part. ChatGPT Health is not for diagnosis or trick. It's not replacing your doctor, at least not now. It's designed to help you understand and navigate your health between appointments. Would you upload your medical records to AI if it meant you are getting better answers about your health? Let us know in the comments. Follow eHealthyinfo for more facts like this. We got you.